Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on Meta AI on Instagram. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on search right here. And I'm going to just type Instagram, right? In order for this to work out, you need to update your Instagram to the latest version so you can have access to all the new features. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up the Instagram, right? And as you can see, you will be able to see your interface of the app. Click on your chats right here at the top right, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and tap at Meta, right, AI, right, and I'm gonna forward it to my chats. So because my chats it's in quiet mode, I will not be able to access this feature, but it should work for you because as we said before, you need to update the app so you can have all the new features. And after you forward that message, you're going to be able to access the Meta AI features on your phone. So update your Instagram and then send the at Meta AI. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.